I think what these guys have built is going to be an absolute game changer in the Australian market, especially for buyer's agents. I'm Jenny Cohen from Cohen Handler. I'm the Chief Operating Officer, and we are one of the largest buyer's agencies in Australia. Cohen Handler, we're using a CRM, was costing us $200,000 per annum. We found that we couldn't get out of it what we needed for our agents. They weren't using it to the best of its ability, and us as management couldn't get reports and information that was beneficial to our business. By using Zoho, we have made our lives much easier. The agents can send agreements through it, they can communicate with their clients, we can invoice through it, we get fantastic reporting from it. Whatever we need, we can also get added to it, which has made life as a whole for the whole company much better. The Buyer's Agents Accelerator has helped us enormously, especially from a management point of view. We're now able to do a lot of reporting. We're able to see staff's KPIs. We can check our commissions daily. We can check what the staff are bringing in, what you're losing. We've been able to do reporting where we never could before. What impressed me most about Shank and his team was that they had worked with over 200 buyer's agents across Australia and New Zealand. What impressed me most as well, the CRM is just $2 a day, which is less than a cup of coffee. Cohen Handler still consults with Systems Down Under on a daily basis. Their customer support is absolutely fantastic, and I recommend them to everyone.